their neighbor, and they don't realize I am a YouTuber and I'm not famous. I mean, I am a YouTuber, I'm just not famous. Okay, after that, we're gonna have the cover of this spot. You might think, how will we get up by something? No. We're gonna see it later. So we're gonna have this, and we're gonna have to cut it, because if we have that team suck. So we're gonna have to block it like this. You know, I might have to go to the store to buy white. If there are any white, I forgot. If there are any white blocks. Yes, boy, I think it's light, but okay, I don't have any money yet. I only have $5. What? Okay. We're gonna have 209 wood. I'm quite running out of wood, guys. There's still gonna be enough wood. Trust me, it's still gonna be enough for this whole entire design. Trust me. I am a good person who can help people build stuff and games when I know what to build. You gotta cut off this spot because it's gonna be so useless to us. Now you have your own spot in your own office. Alright? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna spawn a block right here and go to the special items. You can place a whole dinner table, or you can place like a one block for this team. You can do anything. I don't care what you do. Do whatever you want. And I'm gonna do it. And this is the weapons where you get the guns and stuff. And I'm gonna decorate that, not right now because I don't want to. And I'm gonna place this team. This is important for the alien team. It'll just take not that much damage. It takes only like 15. I know that. I don't know. I forgot. That's been a long time since I defeated that. So the sticks, yeah. In the old days, they did not have that, but I'm just placing it because, I mean, that movement, I can't remove so well. One right here. Delete, no. I'll make my own boat. Trying to show my view, whoever's watching this, how to make a boat. Sorry, bro. Cry to your mom. And this is what I'm gonna make the size because I still have enough size for that, and I want to make it a little, like not so little, so I can put stuff. Before we move on to that top team, let's put the flag next. Hey guys, you can make a little boat or a big boat. Little or big one. So you're gonna spawn you can spawn a block anywhere. And you can start going up. And I'll just stop here. I don't care how high you go. After you're done with that, I'll just do this for me. I'll just put a lot of black. Let's just do this. I'm gonna make my boat little because I do have a lot of space in there. gonna start putting white. My logo is gonna be like this. No. I don't want to do that to my boat. You're going to be crying. Okay, just kidding, you're not. Okay, let's delete whatever they call that black team. Or this is called a black block. And after you're done with that, you're gonna have to put where this little teen is. And here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna do like a little wooden teen. Like it's a flag. It's gonna go back in this way. Same for the other. I mean, I'm just gonna put right here so it's like you're moving like the other. And after you're done with that, and one more thing I want to remind you, if I'm missing it, oh, this black team, you can use it for the bottom, for like a reason, where that black circle, but I don't want to use it. So if you like this video, and like this, and do you like this boat, this little baby boat what I made? So this is a little boat what I'm making, and the big one is going to be in the other side. So if you like this video, please like the videos to help you. And enjoy, and bye bye.